Here is the Nissan Qashqai. Let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. In front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, is a secondary hood release lever, the yellow one. Yep. Put two fingers in there and then push it up. And while it's pushed up, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod from there. Put it right over there in that slot. And then let it go. And now the hood is secure. That is good. Now once the hood is open, that's right there where the engine air filter is. That's the air box. We need to get this plastic air intake piece out of the way. It's held in place by two clips. The first one over there, just pull it, one, and now it's loose. That's good. And the second one in the back there, just pull that up as well. And now this plastic air intake piece is loose and we can sort of rotate it and get it out of the way. That is good. This gives us access to the air box, and that's the filter right there as you can see it. We need to undo two clips, one over there, just pull it. You have to apply some force to sort of undo these clips. Good. Now it's loose. Now you can easily just grab the air filter and get it out of the air box, and there it is. Now this is the dirty side. This is where outside air comes in, all the dirt gets trapped, and this is the clean side. This is where the clean air goes into the engine. Now I'm just going to put this filter back in for now. I'm going to replace it later on, but in your case you'll be getting a new filter. Just make sure it's positioned the way I'm showing over here, and this new filter should be the exact size as the old filter that came out of the air box. So when you put it back in, it should just go right in, no gaps, no movement. It should just drop right in place. That is good. Now let's press this cover against the back part and put this clip back on, and the other one as well. You have to apply some force to get it back on in position. Good. Now let's put this plastic air intake piece back in position, and let's get those two clips on. One over here, just press it. That's good. And the second one over there, and now that's on, and that's not moving, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get the rod out of that slot. Put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.